Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a hand holding a stick. So it's like a billiards type of action with the hand holding a stick like that, but seen from a view that's kind of like that. So it's the front view. So let's actually start with placing a stick into this said hand. Stick can go like right across like that. So there's foreshortening here, and that'll mean that it has a wider measurement here than here, and it just goes back like that. Now we're going to curl our hand around that stick. So to do this, just start with this first. So there's two ways to do it. Either you could start with the hand and then place the stick inside it, or there's this way is also quite easy. You could just start from the inside out and start with the index finger circling the stick. So right here we'll place one line, and please use very light strokes, very important. So one curve like that and one arc like that. Just put two arcs that much apart. They're just going to be guidelines for the fingers, and then one arc like that, just meeting this one somewhere around here, and it will help. And then you could put a round shape, but let's just put in a shape like that, and that is actually for the thumb. So now we are going to place our hand, as I said, from the inside out. So we start with the index finger. We'll place that right here, and this line here, as I said, this one is actually going to have the knuckle set right here, and then curve inward. So that is the next finger over. Knuckle around here, knuckles keep coming down, and then this finger just that much, and then finally the smallest finger tucked away behind its larger neighbor. So flat of the hand on the top, some vein structure. If you put the hand at that angle, it will definitely show. And then we come back and just put that thumb where it's not necessarily visible from this angle. Now essentially the way this hand is grabbing the stick is going to be a little wider, and there will be our wrist and forearm area. Now there's a few things that you could actually do with this. So once you put in the finger lines and all the details, just to make this more of a acceptable image, you could do a few things here. So you could also show this particular finger raised up more. Put in the joint here, come back like that, and place the index finger right there on the stick. And now the only difference will be that the rest of the hand moves up, because if it's holding the stick at that position, so it'll just move up like that, and the curvature will from this point onward will probably be the same, but the thumb has to be, so you could either place the thumb like so, or you could let it go to the back as it is already going. And of course you have to take care of the angles and whatnot. So you put in the finger lines here, and it's all gold. So two things that you can do with this. Well, actually it's a few things, but we will just explore that. So three things. One is hands curled right around, hand curled right around the stick, and let me flush that out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the core hand as we drew it around the stick. And then of course the third option, and even a fourth one with the finger, with the thumb going like that, so that you can show that. But so either of those options from this angle, we'll do check our other videos out, hand holding objects, and in one in particular where a hand is actually pointing. That pose can be very instrumental in this, and the finger pointing toward you, that is. So you could try that out as well. Thank you very much. Please do let us have your comments and recommendations. Please keep in touch, do subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day.